Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go out boating today. David bought this 2008 R8, so we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna take my Tacoma back there to do some rolling shots on the way. This thing sounds pretty mean. Right now it's when it's cold start it sounds a lot louder, but still pretty sick ride. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey of boating, make some videos. This is David right here. Let me find him right there. This is David, that's his R8, and that's his brother right there.
Yeah, STI is for sale.
STI is for sale. What do you want for it?
15 grand.
15 grand.
Lowering springs for the R8.
There you go. So if you guys want, what year is this one? Oh yeah, those are both 08. So 2008 STI. Little fender bender, but
still runs.
Yep, still runs. So, all right, we're gonna head out. Let's go boating.
Around and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember